Hello fellow oceaneers and welcome back to my channel Ocean of Facts, where I upload every once a week about the latest marine discoveries led by scientists and marine biologists all over the world. So let's get started. Today we have something fascinating to share you about fishes. Did you know that fishes need protection from the sun's harmful rays just like us humans? Gadusol, a powerful sunscreen designed for aquatic life, is the star ingredient. The sun emits UV radiation or ultraviolet radiation, which can be damaging to the fish. Prolonged exposure can cause skin damage, DNA mutation, and also leading to skin cancer. Life on Earth depends on the sun for energy, but exposure to UV radiations can be harmful. UVB rays can cause damage at a molecular level and lead to DNA mutations. Sunscreen absorb UV photons before they can harm the cells, protecting genetic material and preventing damage. Some organisms have adapted to avoid UV exposure through nocturnal lifestyles and DNA repair mechanisms, while others create their own chemical sunscreens. Sunlit habitats can offer advantages over darker environments, so many organisms use sunscreens to avoid UVR damage. Now, let us take a look at the mutant zebrafish that has helped the scientists to discover the science of Gadusol. Scientists initially believed that melanin was the main sunscreen in aquatic life. Melanin is produced from melanophores that migrate to cover parts of the brain and body as fish embryos mature. To test this hypothesis, scientists altered the genotype in zebrafish to knock out the gene for melanin production. They discovered that the zebrafish embryos died from UVR exposure at the same rate regardless of whether or not the genotype was altered. This led the scientists to believe that there must be another factor that protects the embryos from the sun. So Gadusol lab used CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing to create Gadusol deficient mutant zebrafish to test whether Gadusol provides UV protection or not. The zebrafish were chosen for this experiment because they inhabit sunlit waters, they produce Gadusol, and they are also able to undergo genetic manipulation. The research found that Gadusol is provided to zebrafish embryos by the mother. It is the most effective sunscreen and is lost evolutionarily in fish species when their embryos are not exposed to sunlight. For years, Utah biologist James Gagnon's lab has studied Gadusol, resulting in a new paper demonstrating how females excrete the compounds on their eggs. The Gadusol molecule was discovered in fish more than 40 years ago and was originally thought to come from dietary sources. It has since been proven that Gadusol is produced from metabolic pathways within the fish. The findings are published in the journal Current Biology. And now here's the truly exciting part. Researchers are investigating Gadusol's potential as a safer biodegradable alternative to chemical sunscreens. This natural ingredient offers protection for our skin while being environmentally friendly. A Boston-based beauty company is now looking to synthesize Gadusol to create sunscreens that would be safer for both humans as well as marine environments. For fish, Gadusol offers advantages over sunscreen due to its invisibility. Transparency as camouflage. The study said that it is common trait in aquatic animals, especially in open ocean where there is nothing to hide behind. Let's continue to support the incredible work being done by the scientists who are unraveling nature's treasures for our health and our well-being. Thank you all for joining me on this journey through the amazing science of Gadusol. Stay tuned for Ocean of Facts and for more mind-blowing episodes like this. Until next time, take care, protect your skin, keep exploring our beautiful planet, and last but not least, stay curious.